it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today we're going to be opening up Susan Color Curate cosmetics bag. It comes in a nondescript padded white envelope, and the reason I haven't pulled it out yet is because it is a limited edition makeup bag every month, so it's always different. And this month it looks like what? These. What is that? Is that koi? It's very blue. It's very oceany. It looks like betta fish, actually. It's like we're under the sea. And you get the Susan logo right there. This subscription runs $20.95 monthly. All their products are vegan and cruelty free. So you always get a card included. Same design as the bag itself. And at the back it has a list of everything included this month. You can purchase the makeup bag on its own if you wanted to. It's $12. You usually get about 3 to 4 products included in the bag. They have everything in bubble wrap. So that is awesome. Susan Cosmetics Rose Gold palette. That is adorable. Oh, look at that. It's a cracked mirror. I'm not really mad at that. I never use the mirrors anyway. But, you know, I'm actually really surprised considering how well they usually package it. Utopia. Wow. Utopia is really light. Cloud 9. Alright. Cloud 9's there. She's there. Sanguine. Oh, that's another light one. Oh. Getting so sad. Idealist. Wow, these colors are like barely there. This one I cannot pronounce. Chaotic. Ooh, it's like a ruby red. Grandiose. Arcadian. Ooh, Arcadian showed up. Mythic Glow. I think the last two, Arcadian and Mythic Glow, are highlighters. Rose Gold palette runs $29. A second palette, Trifle Cosmetics, Eye Candy. Ooh. No, the duo is called Fondue. And this runs $14. Sanguine. This is such a beautiful pink. I'm actually really surprised that it came out this vibrant on my skin tone. I thought this was gonna be really bad, but it is so beautiful. It's such a pretty pink. Getting excited. Maybe the other colors will show up too. So I went in with the Trifle Cosmetics, the darker shade. It's coming out like a plum just to darken the edge. This is my eye without it. This is my eye with it, so you can tell the difference. Grandiose, and I just love these colors. This palette is absolutely beautiful. They're blending really well together. It's like a bright red. Blue from the Trifle Cosmetics, just for a pop of color. And I absolutely love this palette. I'm like super impressed. This is like the best they've done in quite a while. So I put Arcadian right in the middle, and I am super happy with how this came out. This is like gorgeous. So Susan did an excellent job. Dream Maker Private Jet. This is a liquid highlighter. I've attempted their Dream Maker before. Usually doesn't come out so well for me, but I'm gonna make another attempt. I've been getting better over the months. And this runs $29, which is a bit much, I think. Looks just plain white. Smear it a little bit. Wow, wow, that is a blazing highlight. All right, I'm gonna be very gentle. Blend this over on this side. It looks like there's a little bit of a pink hue in it. I think I got it. Well, I'm happy with how it looks. I'm not gonna go any further with the highlight. But there it is. It is blinding. I'm like so scared that I'm just gonna mess it up completely. I have an item from Jelly Pong Pong. It's a lip patine. And I've actually have a few of these. Artifact. And I've always thought the packaging is just so beautiful with the purple. And this better go with this color. So that's the package of their lip patines. Oh, it's like a, is it rose gold? That is so wild. So this is like a whole rose gold thing. Look at that color. Ooh. It's almost like lavender. I'm definitely gonna use a lip liner for this. This is gonna be light. It's gonna be light. So I put a lip liner on. What do you think? I really, really like it. I think it goes really well with the eyeshadow. This runs $22. I am pleasantly surprised. And the total value of the bag is $106. That is it. Good night.